OBS Studio, which means Open Broadcaster Software or OBS, is a free and open source solution for offline video recording and live streaming that is Mac and Windows compliant. In this video, we will know about the OBS system and its uses. So before any further ado, let's get into the video. So first we want to know about what is OBS Studio. OBS Studio is arguably the most popular live streaming encoder. It is completely free and open source, and it has lots of useful features to help you produce professional live streams. It also allows you to record your video, connect to any live streaming or video conferencing platform, and use any digital camera for live streaming. So after knowing what is OBS Studio, let's see how to install it. So installing OBS Studio. If you haven't installed OBS Studio on your device yet, here's a quick roadmap on how to do it. Firstly, go to the official OBS Studio website and select your platform. It may be Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Then open the downloaded file and begin the installation. You will have an opportunity to include several additional plugins for OBS during the setup. Usually it is recommended to leave the boxes blank. After the installation is completed, you can launch OBS Studio either directly from the installation window or later via a new icon on your desktop. After successfully installing the OBS Studio, we saw how to quick start to OBS Studio. So now that you have installed OBS Studio on your device, let's go through the main things you will need in the work area. Don't worry, although OBS may seem quite overwhelming at first, you will quickly discover how simple and straightforward it is. After loading OBS Studio for the first time, you will encounter the Auto Configuration Wizard. This automated tool tests your system and applies the most optimal setting specifically for your device. Now it's time to creating your first scene in OBS Studio. A scene is a combination of your video and audio layers, which is sources captured by OBS. Each of these layers has one specific input. For instance, say you want to create a live stream with a video input from your webcam, an audio input from your microphone, and a video input from your device's screen. By adding these three layers to the sources for your scene, OBS combines and streams them all together. The very first time you run OBS, you will notice one empty scene in the scenes box at the bottom left. Getting audio and video sources into OBS Studio. Typically, OBS Studio uses your default input and output audio sources. You can check the audio level in the audio mixer section next to the sources box and see if they are active when you speak or play any sound on your device. The game capture features allows you to capture the specific game you are playing and also sometimes can be useful for capturing windows that can't be captured by the window capture option. The window feature works for most non-game applications. The video capture device will add your webcam or capture card as a video source. The Blackmagic device source allows you to use the Blackmagic design capture cards, ensuring the best possible compatibility with OBS. The browser source allows you to add your browser as a source and live streaming anything from your browser directly through OBS. The display capture is used to add your monitor as a source and basically capture your entire work screen. Understanding and managing layers in OBS Studio. The layer system comes in handy when you want OBS to capture multiple video sources on your stream. Each of your added video sources lies on a different layer, which allows you to create combination of output pictures and manage them just the way you want. The highest video source on your sources list will be displayed on top of every other one. So we hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe. We have different social platforms. Do follow us on them too. Thanks for watching.